Hello, lovely people. I'm so glad you're here with me today because we're about to embark on a delicious journey together. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, you're in the right place to discover something truly special. Today, we're bringing the vibrant flavors and sunny spirit of the Mediterranean right into your kitchen, no matter where you are in the world. Imagine the warmth of the sun, the gentle sea breeze, and the aroma of fresh herbs filling your home. Picture blue skies stretching endlessly above, golden sunshine dancing on the waves, and the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, all captured in a single, beautiful bowl of food. That's the magic we're channeling today. The Mediterranean way of life is all about togetherness, sharing meals, laughter, and stories with family and friends. It's about gathering around a rustic table, passing plates, and savoring every bite of fresh, simple ingredients. This food isn't just nourishing for your body, it's food that energizes your spirit and brings a smile to your face. Every meal is a celebration, a chance to connect and enjoy the moment. There's no need for complicated recipes or fancy techniques here. The Mediterranean kitchen is all about honest, rustic, and utterly delicious meals that anyone can make. It's about letting the natural flavors shine. This style of eating is famous for being incredibly healthy. Think of an abundance of colorful veggies, golden olive oil, lean proteins like fish or chickpeas, and a generous sprinkle of fresh herbs. It's a feast for your senses and your well-being. The Mediterranean approach isn't about strict rules or deprivation. Instead, it's a joyful celebration of what nature gives us. Fresh, seasonal produce, wholesome grains, and the best ingredients you can find. It's about eating with gratitude and pleasure. And today, our star dish is the Mediterranean chickpea salad, a true classic that captures everything wonderful about this cuisine. It's colorful, packed with flavor, and so easy to make. This salad is my absolute go-to for a quick, healthy, and tasty meal. It comes together in minutes, but tastes like you've spent hours preparing it. Plus, it's perfect for busy days when you want something nourishing and satisfying. It's incredibly versatile. Enjoy it for lunch, pack it up for a picnic, or serve it as a vibrant side at your next barbecue. It's always a crowd pleaser, and it travels well too. The best part? You can make it your own. Use whatever fresh ingredients you have on hand, and don't be afraid to get creative. The Mediterranean way is all about using what's in season and what you love most. This salad is proof that the best food is often the simplest. With just a handful of fresh, quality ingredients, you can create something truly special, something that brings people together and makes every meal feel like a celebration. So, roll up your sleeves, tie on your apron, and get ready to dive into the flavors of the Mediterranean. Cooking should be fun, relaxed, and full of joy. Together, we'll chop, mix, and create a bowl of pure sunshine, bursting with color, flavor, and goodness. Let's get started and bring a taste of the Mediterranean into your home. Let's do this. Let's talk about ingredients, the heart and soul of any great dish. The real secret to making food that tastes incredible is starting with the best ingredients you can find. When you choose fresh, high-quality produce, you're already halfway to a delicious meal. Take a moment to appreciate the colors, the textures, and the natural beauty of what's in season. Shopping at your local market or picking up produce from a trusted grocer makes all the difference. We want ingredients that are fresh, vibrant, and bursting with flavor. The more colorful your vegetables, the more nutrients and taste you'll get. Think of your plate as a canvas, and these beautiful veggies are your paint. Chickpeas are our base here. Creamy, protein-packed, and incredibly versatile. They're not just filling, but they add a lovely, nutty flavor and a satisfying texture to the salad. Chickpeas are a staple in Mediterranean cooking for good reason. You can use canned chickpeas for convenience, or cook them from scratch if you have the time. Both options work beautifully, so don't stress. Just make sure to rinse them well if you're using canned. Next, let's add a rainbow of veggies. Crisp cucumber brings a refreshing crunch and a cool, clean taste that balances the richness of the chickpeas. Red bell peppers add a natural sweetness and a pop of color, while juicy tomatoes bring a burst of freshness and a little tang. Cherry tomatoes are perfect for their sweetness and size, but honestly, any ripe tomato you have on hand will work. The key is to use tomatoes that are juicy and full of flavor. Red onion is next. It adds a zesty kick and a beautiful purple hue. Slice it thin so it blends in nicely and doesn't overpower the other flavors. Now for the extras that make this salad sing: salty, creamy feta cheese and briny olives. These ingredients bring a savory depth and a touch of indulgence. Kalamata olives are my personal favorite for their rich, fruity flavor, but feel free to use any good quality olive you like. Green, black, or mixed, each brings its own character. Fresh parsley is a must. It adds a burst of herbal freshness and a lovely green color. Don't be shy. Use a generous handful to really brighten up the dish. For the dressing, we keep it classic and simple. Start with extra virgin olive oil, which brings a rich fruity base and ties all the flavors together. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon for brightness and acidity, and a sprinkle of dried oregano for that unmistakable Mediterranean aroma. Finish with a pinch of salt and a crack of black pepper to enhance every ingredient and bring the whole salad to life. That's it. Just a handful of simple, honest ingredients. But when you put them together, the results are truly magical. Each bite is a celebration of freshness and flavor. Gather everything you need and get ready to create something special. This is the kind of food that brings people together and makes every meal feel like a little celebration. The Mediterranean way is all about letting these beautiful natural flavors shine. There's no need for anything fancy, just honest, vibrant food prepared with care. So, let's get prepping. With these fresh, simple, and beautiful ingredients, you're about to make a salad that's as nourishing as it is delicious. Enjoy the process and savor every bite. Time for our hero, the chickpea. Packed with protein and fiber, they keep you full and satisfied. Canned chickpeas make things quick. Just rinse well under cold water, drain and add to your salad bowl. If you want to go the extra mile, cook dried chickpeas for a creamier texture. Either way, chickpeas are the perfect canvas for all the flavors we'll add. They soak up dressing and give the salad substance. With chickpeas as our base, we're ready for the next layer of goodness. Simple, nutritious, and delicious. Give them a nod. They're about to shine. Let's build our salad. On to the veggies. Now comes the fun part, chopping up a vibrant rainbow of veggies. This is where your salad really starts to come alive, and you get to play with colors, textures, and flavors. Grab your favorite chopping board and a sharp knife, and let's get started on building the base of our Mediterranean masterpiece. Begin with a fresh cucumber. There's no need to peel it completely, leaving some of the skin on not only adds a lovely pop of green, but also gives a satisfying crunch and extra nutrients. Slice the cucumber lengthwise, then chop it into bite-sized cubes. These little pieces will soak up the dressing beautifully and add a refreshing bite to every forkful. Next, grab a red bell pepper. Its natural sweetness and vibrant color make it a star ingredient. Remove the seeds and core, then dice the pepper into pieces similar in size to your cucumber. Matching the size of your veggies ensures every bite is balanced and visually appealing. The red bell pepper will add a juicy crunch and a subtle sweetness that pairs perfectly with the other ingredients. Now, let's move on to cherry tomatoes. These little gems are bursting with flavor and juiciness. Slice them in half for smaller ones, or quarter the larger ones so they're easy to eat and distribute evenly throughout the salad. As you cut, you'll notice the juice starting to glisten on the board. That's exactly what you want. Their natural juices will mingle with the other veggies and help create a delicious, light dressing right in the bowl. For a bit of sharpness and color, finely chop some red onion. If you find raw onion too strong, here's a tip. Soak the chopped pieces in cold water for about 10 minutes. This mellows out the flavor, making it milder and more pleasant. Don't forget to drain the onion well before adding it to your salad, so it doesn't water down the other ingredients. Fresh herbs are what really make this salad sing. Grab a generous bunch of fresh parsley, flat leaf or curly, whichever you prefer. Roughly chop it to release its aroma and flavor. The parsley will add a burst of green and a fresh, slightly peppery note that brightens up the whole dish. Don't be shy with the herbs. They bring a garden-fresh quality and a lively, aromatic lift to every bite, making the salad taste like summer in a bowl. Now gather all your beautifully chopped veggies and herbs and toss them into a large mixing bowl along with your cooked or canned chickpeas. This is where the magic happens. Each ingredient brings its own color, flavor, and texture, creating a salad that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Just look at those colors. From the deep reds and greens to the golden chickpeas, it's a true Mediterranean rainbow. This isn't just a salad, it's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Every spoonful is a perfect mix of crunch from the cucumber and peppers, sweetness from the tomatoes, zing from the onion, and freshness from the herbs. The chickpeas add a creamy, hearty element that ties everything together. This is what makes the salad so vibrant and irresistible. With just a bit of simple prep, you get stunning results, colorful, healthy, and bursting with flavor. Ready for the next step? Let's whip up a zesty dressing to bring it all together. Every great salad needs a killer dressing. This one's a classic. Just a few ingredients, but huge flavor. Grab a jar or bowl, pour in extra virgin olive oil, about 6 tablespoons. Squeeze in the juice of a fresh lemon, about 3 tablespoons. Add a teaspoon of dried oregano, a pinch of salt, and a good crack of black pepper. Put the lid on and shake, or whisk until creamy and combined. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. This dressing is bright, zesty, and ties everything together. It's the Mediterranean in a jar. Forget store-bought. This is fresher and healthier. Ready to bring the salad to life. Simple, quick, and bursting with flavor. Let's finish the salad. Time for the big toss. The moment of truth. Let's bring it all together. Add olives, Kalamata or your favorite, scattered over the veggies. Crumble feta cheese on top for creamy, salty goodness. Now pour the zesty dressing evenly over everything. Grab 2 big spoons and gently toss. Coat every chickpea veggie and crumb of feta. Be gentle, keep those beautiful textures. The aroma is incredible, fresh, tangy, and inviting. Every ingredient glistens with dressing. This is where the magic happens. The salad is ready to serve. Simple steps, stunning results. You've just made a Mediterranean masterpiece. Let's talk about making it your own. Time to get creative. This salad is a perfect base for creativity. Add rocket or spinach for extra greens. Try fresh mint or dill for a new twist. Bulk it up with cooked quinoa or couscous. Add grilled halloumi, chicken or tuna for more protein. Sprinkle toasted seeds or nuts for crunch. Even croutons work for extra texture. Make it yours. Endless possibilities. You've made a vibrant Mediterranean chickpea salad. Now, how to serve. Enjoy it as a light lunch or a hearty side. Perfect for barbecues, picnics, or potlucks. It travels well. Just add dressing before serving. Pair with warm bread or pita to soak up the juices. Serve on lettuce leaves or in lettuce cups for a fresh twist. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of parsley. Presentation matters. Make it look as good as it tastes. Serve with pride and enjoy the compliments. This salad is a showstopper on any table. Dig in and savor every bite. Here's why this salad will become a favorite. It's delicious, creamy chickpeas, crisp veggies, salty feta, and zesty dressing. Every bite is a burst of flavor and texture. It's healthy, packed with protein, fiber, vitamins, and good fats. Quick and easy, on the table in 15 minutes. Great for busy nights or beginner cooks. Versatile, customize with your favorite add-ins. Make it vegan or gluten-free with simple swaps. One recipe, endless variations. It's fun, creative, and perfect for sharing. Cook with joy, eat with pleasure, and share the love. Try it once, and you'll make it again and again. Lovely jubbly.